they're not here. So what they do is they make a hole like that, like this.
Oh yeah.
And like this, and it's perfect. It's perfect. See how round that is? It's perfect. And right at the bottom of them is an ant lion. And the ant lion is only there to eat ants. That's all he does.
Oh.
And so, I mean...
We call it ant lion.
Ant lion, yes. You can look it up on Google or something.
Yeah, I know that one. In Vietnam, when I play that in my childhood,
yeah,
and we use this one, the rat, and we take and he on the deep.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I take at home, I find ants and put ants in it, and all of a sudden you'll see he'll flick.
Yeah.
Sand out.
Exactly.
And then the ant will disappear into the bottom of the hole.
Yeah.
It's awesome. This is a pretty good trail, huh?
Yep.
But that guy wasn't in there. Probably because it's trampled. So, that's for sure.
bạn, bây giờ Duy sẽ cùng với ông Ly sẽ đi xuống ngay cái chỗ này. Đây là có một cái ngôi nhà đá các bạn, không biết là xây dựng từ cái năm nào. Nhưng mà đây là cái nơi mà ông Ly mỗi lần ông đi một mình á là ông sẽ dừng chân ở nơi đây để relax. Thì ông dẫn Duy xuống ngay chỗ này. Chỗ này ông là thổ địa luôn. Ông nói chung ở Idaho ông đi hiking nhiều lắm. Ông về hưu rồi á, cho nên là ông có rất là nhiều thời gian để trải nghiệm cuộc sống. Ông thích đi bộ, hiking và chạy xe đạp leo núi gì đó. Nói chung là trải nghiệm với thiên nhiên. Và ở đây các bạn, đây có là stone house này. Đó, ngôi nhà đây các bạn, đó. Wow, how beautiful. Nice. Các bạn, đây có một ngôi nhà làm hoàn toàn bằng đá đúng không các bạn? Được build bằng đá này. Hỏi ông thì ông không biết là ai build hết á, nhưng mà nó có đây lâu rồi. Wow. Ở cái nơi 𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗶𝗄 các bạn mà có một ngôi nhà xây bằng đá chắc nó giống như là người thời tiền sử vậy đó. Bây giờ đi. 𝗪𝗔𝗄𝗀𝗃𝗃. Wow. Nice. Yeah. You think in the winter somebody come here? Winter.
Yeah, we should come here in the winter, and I come down when there's snow here.
Really?
Because it's beautiful.
Yeah, I would like to that experience. Oh, you see, elk or some animal come here.
Yeah, they could.
Yeah, and they shit here. Wow. Làm lâu các bạn này, quay các bạn xem này.
Yeah, that's horse poop.
Horse?
Yeah, horse or mule.
Yeah.
What the day is? Someone had their horse in there.
Nice. Huh?
This used to be out. This used to be the fireplace. See?
Yeah, fireplace. Đây là cái chỗ mà để mà làm sưởi ấm các bạn, đây nấu nướng sưởi ấm này, fireplace. Hoàn toàn bằng đá các bạn.
The people come in here and did this.
And they fix, yeah.
To fix it because it was sagging
Yeah.
in and they didn't want it, and somebody wrote thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for that.
For fixing it. Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's heavy. By the time it will be pushed
There's
down.
a lot of there's stone on top
Yeah.
of it, remember?
Awesome. Okay, we can.
And these are real old timbers. Real old.
Real
I mean,
old. Yeah.
But people live on the damnest places.
Người nào xây đây quá đã luôn các bạn. Ở trước đó là sông này. Relax không? Very relaxed. Huh?
Yeah.
And now we.
So the terminology is see how slow the water is? See how slow the water?
Yeah.
Still waters run deep, so it's pretty deep right here.
Wow.
Where the water comes narrows, it goes faster.
Yeah. I think 1,000 years ago, water on the top.
Maybe 1,000,
Yeah.
maybe 2,000.
Yeah.
Because I think even longer, because these rocks were on the canyon wall and they were deposited here with the 𝗪𝗏𝗄𝗃 flood. And that was, I don't know, 500,000 years ago or something like that.
Yeah. Very cool.
Native Americans, indigenous people, upriver, let's see. Yeah, upriver here, there's some petroglyphs, old ancient writings of figurines, of figures and fish and stuff carved into the rocks. Only the rocks that are facing this way, they're carved into the rocks.
Yeah.
And they're upriver. They're upriver. Up around that bend and in that flat, there's a flat around that ridge. You can go down pretty close to the river. I mean, not real close, but there's a lot of brush down there.
Cool.
Watch
I like it. I like this corner.
Well, here is it. The red ant bed right there. Maybe calling up your booth. But it's pretty cool down here, isn't it?
Yeah.
I thought you'd like it.
I like it. Thank you.
In the wintertime, I come down here, there's snow in that draw, coming down the draw. It's just everything's white. beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, just like this.
Yeah, just pull them up. Be careful. There you go. Just pull them back enough to eat them. There you go.
Oh, good fish.
Yeah, you'll like this.
Yeah, sometimes I buy thing like this in Walmart.
Well, the ones I get off Amazon, these polar, I buy a whole case of them at a time. Good, isn't it?
When you're a soldier and you often eat like this, right? The can on
sea rations.
Yeah.
Yeah. Open sea rations. But we had P38 to open them. They didn't have these type of cans.
Really good.
It is good, isn't it?
Yeah, really good.
A lot of the canned fish has real high salt. This has the lowest salt of all the canned fish that we know.
Yeah. Beautiful. The wind will make cool. I like it, huh? Be awesome.
Now I would take the crackers too. Put the crackers in there. And soak up the juice. I actually got some paper towel with me too, and I got some wipes so we can wash our hands.
This is
So now is it linking to your phone?
no, it's a photo GoPro. Look at that.
Oh, that's awesome.
And now I am video and